friends. I hope you are doing well wherever you are located in this world. So this is just a heads up about the Astra theme to all the web designers and web developers or those who are in this web designing field. This is an update for you. If you have ever designed any of the website in Astra theme, or whether it is for you yourself or for your client, then this news is particularly for you. Please watch this video till the very end because you are getting a very important information in this. So the news is that WordPress has suspended this Astra theme, which is, I must say, very popular among all the web designers, as it is free of cost, and all the plugins, all the themes are free. It is also having a pro version which is paid, but that is for the developers. If you are looking for a very developed thing. Okay, so I'm just going to show you about the official WordPress statement, what exactly has happened. So they are saying over here that 18 months ago, they started sending the notification to Astra theme team about the affiliate links in their theme. As per WordPress norms or the terms and conditions, the theme builders are not allowed to add any affiliate links in their theme as per the norms. Okay, and this is the rule which has been violated by Astra theme developers, and it has been notified to them 18 months ago, and even though it was notified, they ignored the notification, and as a result, from today onwards, Astra theme is suspended. Okay, I'll just read the statement what exactly WordPress team wants to say. They are saying over here, 18 months ago you started adding affiliate links in your theme. We have this requirement against this. Themes are not allowed to add affiliate URLs or link. We added this requirement more than 18 months ago specifically for this kind of issue. We also asked other theme authors to remove such links from their themes and discuss this topic on Slack and the blog for many weeks. We don't understand how you can miss something like this. And it's also not the first time we have come and tell you something is wrong with your theme. Because of this, your theme will be suspended for next 5 weeks until 11th 2020. So, as you can see, they are saying that they have notified them not just once but several times. Still, it was ignored. As a result, now for 5 weeks till 11th September, the theme is suspended. Now, the reply, if you see from Astra team, is that they are saying that they admit that they have used the filter available in third party plugins, but they are denying that it's the affiliate link and admitting that they were using the referral codes. Okay, see, in the next line they are saying that we do not add any affiliate links or whatsoever as per the requirement. So they are denying the fact that they use any affiliate link, but accepting that those links were in fact the referral codes. Okay, and I'm just going to show you the screenshot, as they're saying that they didn't use the affiliate link. But if you see this coding part or the screenshot of their coding, you can absolutely see over here shareasale.com, and you can also see I have underlined over here AFFTRAC. So those who are into coding, you will absolutely understand AFF comes when it's affiliate code. So it's very clear that affiliate code was used, but we are nowhere to judge whether it's an affiliate code or what WordPress will take the next step, or what is going to happen. But if I show you over here, if we go in wordpress.org and if we simply search for Astra, so you can see that the theme option is there or the plugin option is there, but when we click on this, you will see no themes found. How is this going to affect you? Is that whatever themes you have created in this particular theme, whatever websites you have created, so please make sure that you go back to them and check whether that particular website is working or not, or you want to post some notification over there that work under construction or we will be back soon, or post some timer over there with the help of any plugin. Just make sure whether you are developing any website for yourself or for your client under this Astra theme, you are not getting any bad impressions from your client. So I hope you must have found this information very useful. Please check your all the clients, their websites, and make sure that your all the themes are working, especially us the theme. So I'll just wrap this session over here and I'll try to keep you updated very soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.